problem we had was when I was doing my other truck, I didn't have to take these out of the upper A-arm in order to put the rod in. But with this vehicle, because it's for a like 70s to 80s Camaro, turns out these have to come out, and then this will fit in, and we can press the new pieces in afterwards. So what I've had to do was come over to this upper A-arm here. I had to take and actually cut out by cutting a small slit just to relieve the pressure and pushing it out that way. And the reason why I did that was because we've already coated everything, right? We should have did this beforehand. We could have easily threw it on a press and pressed them out. But now I didn't want to damage the coating on the press and stuff like that, so I cut it, and then it came out a lot easier. Now I can clean that surface up. We can install the other piece, put in the new ones, and carry on assembling everything with the rubbers and all that kind of stuff. So I just had to get creative and a little bit of elbow and grease and fix it and not damage anything.
One side done. It looks good.
It's only been like a year in the making.
Okay. We had other projects.
There we go. Look at it all done.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
This is currently my cab. Need to get some stuff cut out. It was rusty, too rusty. So we got some new pieces underneath right there. Right back in. My son's car. My doors. My cab. My yucky problems. Getting better. Still a lot of work though.